What's up, y'all? Today we got another mod for the 440. As y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be changing the color of the DRLs today. Bought these on eBay. Let me grab them. I think I got it in the trunk. DRL LED modules. As y'all can see, shit says plug and play. It's gonna be an easy mod. Show y'all how to do it though. For your F30, F36, F32, it's the F chassis, bro. Should be all the same. I think the only thing that could make it different is if you got like the icon headlights. I think it might be a little different. I'm not sure if they make the plug and play ones that where you can like, because for these are literally plug and play, bro. Because I'm not gonna be, I see people usually like, they usually take the module thing and they gotta like glue it back on. With these, I ain't gotta do it. Shit, got the fucking tools. I'm not gonna change it without the tools, bro. Tripping. So we got the tools right here. That's all you're gonna need right here. You're gonna need a T20. That's all you're gonna need. Get all those out. All you gotta do, take out 1, 2, 3. And then this just pops right up like that. And here's that little this is all it is right here. You're gonna plug this out, bro. By the way, it's gonna be like this little protective clip right here. You see this one? It's like a different color. It's like a protective clip. I ain't gonna lie, I took that shit out. I was fucking around with it on the first one, and that bit fell straight down, bro. But it's like, fuck it. Gotta squeeze this one at the top. Damn, that means I dropped the other one for no fucking reason, bro. It's a nice packaging. I'll leave the link down below if y'all want some for y'all F30s or whatever. Just gotta make sure it's compatible with your car. Yeah, there we go. It's already come with a module in and everything, bro. Just gotta plug it in. Now it's in place, and we just gonna screw these bitches back in. There we go. Got that bit back in. Nice and new. We're gonna keep the old ones, cause you know, shit, you never know, bro. Gotta keep the OEM ones. Put them right back in this packaging right here. All right, we got it in. Gonna turn it on, see what they look like, what they both look like. By the way, bro, I seen some people talking about like take off like your battery connection and shit, so you don't have shortages, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You ain't gotta do all that shit, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. Hell yeah, we got both of them in there. Oh yeah. Let's turn the brightness down. You know they gonna be flashing on the camera, bro, but hold on, let me close the hood. I went with the red cause, you know, let me turn this brightness back up. Cause, well, mainly cause the red interior, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I was just like, fuck it. Let's go red, you feel me? Got the red bars, now we got the red. You feel me? Soon I'm looking to do red calipers, feel me? And then that shit just gonna pop and the shit gonna flow nice. But you know, the camera ain't gonna do it no justice in the daytime, bro. No justice. So what I'm gonna do, we gonna, oh wait, the front camera be getting you just right. But still, gonna get y'all boys some clips back tonight. That dude's so nice, bro. He walked past here like 3 times, bro. Like, and this time, just because I was recording for y'all, he like walked all the way around, bro. That's OG right there. Got a G35 passing through. I ain't gonna say too much. Y'all boys just let me know what y'all think about the build, but you feel me? Calm no G35.